Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. We'll have this little Kaywoodie that got a few issues, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, the first thing, the stem is way out of position, so we'll have to heat that stem up and get this metal tendon to turn. The pipe is pretty dirty and with a lot of cake. The it's hard to see. Let's see here. Let me go in and see if y'all can see it. Yeah, there's the Kaywoodie. H7 is the shape, I guess. But Kaywoodie was stamped bad to begin with, and it's pretty well worn off. So that's what we got to work with. So we'll start by getting the stubble reamed out and cleaned. And this really doesn't have a lot of oxidation. That's just residue left from it being smoked. So I think that'll all sand off, and then we'll clean that out and see how well the rim cleans up. May have to do a little work on the rim. We'll see. Let's see if we can't get this reamed out. Starting with my smallest, and it barely fits in there to start the reaming process. It's some hard cake as well. It's pretty hard. Like I said before, pretty hard cake in this pipe. I'm at the briar wall here, but this side I still have quite a bit left, and it's not wanting to come out very easily. So I'm gonna get a little bit more aggressive. Got a sanding drum, and we're gonna see if we can work that edge. And this looks like we may have some damage up here at the very top of the rim. We'll just have to see how it turns out. Well, that pretty well has it. I'll chip around on this rim a little bit. It's just really thick, the carbon is. Wish this was a smooth pipe. I'd work this top rim a little bit more, but we'll see what we can do with it. Well, around the rim it's a little rough, but it is now good and reamed out. That rim's got a little thinning on this side over here. Not terrible, but now I'm going to use the before and after briar cleaner to clean this up. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. All right, we got a good coat on that, so I'll set a timer and we'll come back to it in 20 minutes. While that stubble is soaking, I'm going to do a little sanding on this mouthpiece stem. It's not too bad. All right, the stem is pretty well sanded down, so now I'm going to put it on the buffer. All right, the stem is off the buffer, and it's looking good. You can see a little waviness in the bit, but not too worried about that. You can only remove so much material. All right, let's scrub down this stummel. Soft bristle brush and just some water. All right, let's see what it looks like. It's a beat up rim, I tell you. Pretty beat up. I've done a little sanding on the rim. It's pretty smooth to begin with. I don't know if I want to try to put some rustication lines in it or not. Or rustication. Try to mimic the sandblast. May just call it a worn down, smoothish pipe and let her go. That rim's just rough. But sometimes, like I say, an estate pipe is an estate pipe. I mean, it's only going to be a $20 pipe or less. So you try not to do $50 work on a $20 pipe. Not real happy about that little spot right there. Well, we can always stain it up and see what we think. I'll tell you what, before I stain it, I'm going to see what I can do with this stem, getting it clocked back into the correct position. Use a little heat with the heat gun and melt that basically glue in there, and we'll see if we can't get it to turn. All right, we'll let that cool down and it should be just fine. Light brown. All right, we'll let that dry. All right, well, here's the finished pipe. Stem looks good. Still a little waviness in there, but I'm satisfied with it. The pipe overall turned out really well. The rim, I'm not real sold on. I just could not sand it down any further or make it smooth. Maybe it would have looked better if I'd sanded it down, but I'm going to stop where we're at. So thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.